Hi there, in this video I will going to show you how to reset Gmail account password if you forgot. Open Gmail app or any browser, and you will come to this interface. After that, enter your Gmail address to reset your Gmail password. After entering Gmail address, click on Next. Now click on Forget Password. After clicking on Forget Password, you will receive a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Now collect verification code from your recovery email or phone number and enter into here. After entering the verification code, click on Next. Now if I click on Continue, the email will be logged in with the old password. But since I don't know our old password, we will reset it to a new one, so we will click on Update Password. Now we can create our new password. When we create our password, we must create a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. After creating the password, click on Save Password. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.